Hello guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. This job update will be a complete work from home job update. It means if you are able to clear the job, no need to visit anywhere. You can continue your day-to-day roles and responsibilities from your home location. It will be a full-time role and any graduate can apply for this job. Also, there will be no target in this job. So, if you want to get all the details about the job, you can watch the entire video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job, and also I will provide you all the job description and details which you need to know before apply to this job. Also, in the video description area, I will provide you the job application link so that you can directly redirect in the job tab and you can directly apply for this specific role. So if you want to apply for this job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video and watch the entire video. If there is any doubt regarding the job, you can comment below so that I can resolve your query. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and discuss about the job. Hi guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram, and today there is another work from home based job update for all the freshers and experienced graduates. So this job update is from Revolt company, and as you all know, Revolt is a multinational company and it's a US based company, and this time it is hiring for support specialist. Here support means both technical and non-technical support, and also this role is only for the freshers. So based on your knowledge and your skills, they will assign you to the technical or non-technical support. Here they did not mention anything about the role description or job description, because once you have submitted your resume to this company, they will take the initial interview, and after that they will check your skills. After getting selected in this company, they will train you based on your skills. It can be a technical training or it can be a non-technical training, and based on your training they will assign you one role. It will be technical support specialist or non-technical support specialist. So it will be a complete remote process, so no need to worry about it. And you must have a stable internet connection in your home and also a personal computer or laptop with active webcam. So this is the application form which you can get in the description area of this video, and here you have to provide all of the details. And this current company area, if you are doing any internship or you are doing any job in any support domain, then you can mention the current company name. Preferred work location, here if you can click here, you can get only one location, remote, because in India this job is only opening for remote position. Here you have to attach your resume, then you have to attach your LinkedIn profile. So you must have a LinkedIn profile, that will be better. And also hearing about your gender, ethnicity and employer branding, and also rotational shift. Are you comfortable with shift work and changing schedule? Here you have to mention yes. Salary expectation, they have already mentioned the salary range. For this particular job, the salary range will be 4,80,000 to 5,10,000 CTC per annum. Okay, so you need to confirm if you are okay with this salary. If yes, then please select yes. Notice period and visa permission. So if you are doing any job now, you have to mention your notice period, and if you are a fresher, you can mention your immediate. And language skill, you just need to mention that you are fluent in language. And also this is a support job, so you have to discuss or you have to communicate with the stakeholders as well as the customers. So your English communication skill should be fluent for this role. So that is all about the job update. You can submit your application after complete the profile, and if there is any query, any doubt, you can comment below or you can DM me on Instagram so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. This is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care.